Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add affiliate links to Temu products on Wix and Squarespace. So let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for the Temu affiliate program and log into your dashboard. Step 2. Copy the affiliate link for the product you want to promote. Step 3. In Wix, add a button or image and go to the link settings. Paste your affiliate link and click Open in New tab. Step 4. In Squarespace, select a text block or button and use the link editor to paste the URL. Step 5. Save and publish your site. Step 6. Use a link tracker like bit.ly or Links to monitor clicks and performance. And that's how you can monetize your site using Temu affiliate links. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.